Hey everyone! Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best pickleball paddles you can buy right now. I've compared 5 popular options to help you find the right combination of control, power, comfort, and value, whether you're a beginner or a more experienced player. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Nupipo Pickleball Paddles Set of 2 or 4, USAPA approved fiberglass pickleball paddle set with balls and bag, polypropylene honeycomb core, lightweight pickleball paddles for beginners men-women. The Nupipo Pickleball Paddles set is best known in the US market for being one of the most popular beginner-friendly pickleball starter kits. As pickleball continues to explode in popularity across America, many new players are looking for a simple, affordable way to get on the court without spending hundreds of dollars on premium equipment. This set is designed specifically for that audience. In real-world US use, these paddles are commonly purchased by couples, families, retirees, neighborhood groups, and first-time players who want everything needed to start playing immediately. You'll often find sets like this being used at community recreation centers, local parks, retirement communities, school courts, church groups, and backyard gatherings. One of the biggest strengths is convenience. Instead of buying paddles, balls, and carrying equipment separately, buyers receive a complete starter package. For many Americans who are just discovering pickleball, that's a major advantage because it removes the guesswork from equipment shopping. The USAPA approval is another important feature. This means the paddles meet standards required for sanctioned play, giving beginners confidence that they're learning with legitimate equipment rather than toy-grade alternatives. Number 2. Jonkai Pickleball Paddles Set of 4 or 2, USAPA approved fiberglass rackets with outdoor-indoor balls, bag, overgrip, lightweight for family, professional equipment for beginners intermediate. The Jonkai Pickleball Paddles set is best known in the US market for emphasizing family play, group participation, and value-oriented equipment bundles. Like the Nupipo set, it targets new and intermediate players who want a complete package rather than purchasing individual pieces separately. As pickleball courts continue appearing in parks, schools, neighborhoods, and recreation centers across the United States, sets like this have become increasingly popular among households looking for an easy way to join the trend. In real-world American use, the Jonkai set is frequently purchased for family activities, neighborhood gatherings, vacation homes, retirement communities, and weekend recreation. One of the biggest strengths is the availability of both 2-paddle and 4-paddle configurations. The 4-player option is particularly attractive because pickleball doubles matches are incredibly popular throughout the United States. For families, this means more people can participate immediately without needing additional equipment purchases. The USAPA approval provides credibility and ensures the paddles meet recognized standards for organized play. The fiberglass paddle construction offers a good balance between durability and playability. New players often benefit from equipment that provides consistent performance while remaining easy to control. The inclusion of both indoor and outdoor balls is another practical advantage. Different playing surfaces and environments often require different ball types, and having both options available increases versatility. Number 3. Vatic Pro Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm Foam-Injected Walls includes paddle cover. The Vatic Pro Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm is best known in the US pickleball market for delivering premium-level performance features at a price that is often lower than many of the sport's biggest-name competitors. Over the last few years, Vatic Pro has built a strong reputation among serious recreational players and competitive amateurs who want advanced technology without paying top-tier premium prices. Unlike most beginner paddle sets, this is a paddle designed for players who have already developed their game and want more control, spin, and shot consistency. In real-world American pickleball communities, you'll frequently see paddles like the Prism being used by league players, tournament participants, and highly active recreational players who spend multiple days a week on the court. One of the biggest strengths is the carbon fiber face. Carbon fiber has become one of the most desirable paddle materials because it helps generate spin while maintaining excellent touch and control. Players who use topspin drives, sliced returns, and soft kitchen shots often appreciate the extra responsiveness. The 16mm core thickness is another major advantage. Thicker paddles generally favor control over raw power, making them popular among players who prioritize shot placement, resets, dinks, and strategic play. The foam-injected wall construction helps improve stability and reduce vibration. During long matches, this can contribute to a more comfortable playing experience and a larger effective sweet spot. For intermediate and advanced American players, consistency is often more important than maximum power. The Prism's design philosophy aligns well with that approach. Number 4. Head EVO Padel Racket Paddle Series. The Head EVO Padel Series is best known in the US market for helping new players enter the sport of padel with a forgiving and easy-to-use racket. While pickleball has experienced explosive growth in America, padel is also expanding rapidly, especially in major metropolitan areas and luxury sports clubs. Head is one of the most recognizable names in racket sports, and the EVO series is specifically designed to make padel more approachable for beginners and developing players. In real-world US use, the EVO series is commonly found at padel clubs, introductory lessons, community programs, and among players transitioning from tennis. One of the biggest strengths is forgiveness. New padel players often struggle with timing and shot consistency. The EVO's larger sweet spot helps reduce mishits and build confidence during the learning process. The racket is designed to provide a comfortable balance of power and control, making it easier for beginners to enjoy rallies and develop proper technique. Another major advantage is user-friendliness. Unlike highly technical performance rackets, the EVO series focuses on accessibility. American players coming from tennis often appreciate how easy the racket feels during the adjustment period. Comfort is another strong point. Recreational players frequently spend multiple hours on court, and a forgiving racket can reduce fatigue and arm strain. Number 5. Head Graphene 360 Zephyr Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series, Zephyr Pro, UL. The Head Graphene 360 Zephyr series is best known in the US padel market for combining lightweight maneuverability with premium performance technologies. It occupies a higher position than many entry-level rackets and appeals to players who want a blend of comfort, control, and responsiveness. For American players who regularly participate in club matches, organized leagues, and competitive recreational play, the Zephyr series has become a popular choice. One of the biggest strengths is the use of Graphene 360 technology. This material helps improve energy transfer and overall racket stability, creating a more responsive feel during play. The Zephyr lineup is particularly well known for comfort. Players who experience arm fatigue or who simply prefer lighter equipment often appreciate the racket's manageable weight and easy handling. Fast reactions are extremely important in padel, especially during net exchanges. The Zephyr's maneuverability makes it easier to react quickly during defensive and offensive situations. The series also offers multiple versions, including the standard Zephyr, Zephyr Pro, and Zephyr UL, allowing players to choose a model that best matches their playing style and physical preferences. That's my roundup of the top 5 best pickleball paddles. Each one offers a different feel and playing experience, so the best choice comes down to your skill level, playing style, and budget. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.